why you live is identified because of your work. All humans work, including your mother at home, an unpaid labor, but work. She is not offered any labor, any wages, but still she contributes with her work. So అదే లేకపోతే హ్యూమన్ ఎగ్జిస్టెన్స్ లేదు. దట్స్ ది ఎసెన్స్. బట్ దీన్ని ఎట్లా పర్ఫెక్ట్ చేయాలి? సో టు అటైన్ హ్యూమన్ పర్ఫెక్షన్ within society, we need state. Right? But state cannot be arbitrary. Arbitrary ante endi? It has to be conditioned. Arbitrariness means it does not come with the license to operate. The freedom to operate the way it wants. And what we want is not rule by men, but rule of law. If you are part of rule by men, then it is arbitrary. Because they can make decisions the way they like. That is not the idea of modern state. The idea of modern state is to establish not rule by men, but rule of law. So if you want to establish rule of law, then we need a constitution. Got it? So constitution helps us establish rule of law. Right? And paper 2 deals with how this constitution operates. Arthamainda? Why we need a constitution? How a constitution operates. Got it? What are the objectives before the constitution? Clear? So framing of the constitution and the functioning of the constitution is what we call the structural part. How a constitution is framed. What are the institutions that help in realizing the objectives of constitution? How a constitution is made, and what are the institutions necessary to realize the objectives or the ideals of the constitution. What is the ideal of a constitution? Help overcome imperfections in society. Perfect society ఏర్పడుతుందా కదా తర్వాత, but at least it should help overcome imperfections in society. We need a constitution. So constitution guarantees rule of law. In the absence of constitution, we are at the whims of rule by men. Whoever comes to assume power, they make decisions the way they want. So what constitution ideally does? It restricts this power. It conditions this power. And it will force the people who occupy power, to follow a definite procedure. That's the reason why all modern democracies are procedural in nature. Any violation of procedure is recognized as an act of corruption. Any violation of procedure is identified as an act of corruption. So procedural. What we have is a procedural democracy.